Hello! Given an oblique triangle with the sides A, B, and C, and the angles A, B, and C, the law of sines states that side A over sine of angle A equals side B over sine of angle B equals side C over sine of angle C. We can use the law of sines to solve triangles, and to solve a triangle means to find all the missing sides and angles. Now, as you see, this law has 3 ratios. However, when we use it, we need only 2 ratios at a time. For example, we may need the first and the second, or the first and the third, or the second and the third. And all this depends on the given data. Now, there are 3 cases where we can apply the law of sines. The first one is called side angle angle. With this case, we are given one side, an adjacent angle, and an opposite angle. Notice that to be able to use the law of sines, we need to have a side and the opposite angle. Then we can use the law of sines to find the side opposite of the adjacent angle. The next case is angle side angle. With this case, we are given a side and 2 adjacent angles. To be able to use the law of sines, first we need to find the angle opposite of the given side. And we find this angle by subtracting these 2 angles from 180 degrees. Then, once we know this angle and the opposite side, we can use the law of sines to find any of these missing sides. And now the third case is called side-side angle. With this case, we are given 2 sides and an angle that is opposite one of them. This is also called an ambiguous case because the given information may result in one triangle, 2 triangles, or no triangle at all. Below, I will explain each of these situations. This triangle has a given side A, side B, and angle A. And as you see, side A is opposite of the given angle. H represents the height of this triangle. Then, if side A is greater than the height, and side A is also greater than B, then one triangle is formed. Now here we have a triangle where side A is equal to the height. Then in this case, again only one triangle can be formed. Now in this case, side A is less than side B, and it is also less than the height. Then no triangle can be formed because side A is too short to form a triangle. And now in the last case, side A is greater than the height, but it's less than B. Then because of this, if we have it to the right of the height, then we have this triangle formed. And if we have it to the left of the height, then we will have this triangle. So if A is greater than the height and it's less than B, then 2 triangles are formed. Thank you for watching.